Hello, Victor here from Automatching Crewe, and I am delighted to present this Jaguar XE 2.0 the R-Sport Auto all-wheel drive. Finished in stunning blue, this premium sports saloon is powered by 2-liter diesel engine delivering 180 PS through an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring enhanced grip and control on all road surfaces. Let's take a look at some of the external features. The panoramic sunroof enhances the cabin experience, allowing natural light to float in and creating a spacious, airy feel. At the front, the striking R-Sport body kit combined with bifunction xenon headlights with LED J-plate daytime running lights gives the XE commanding presence. The 18-inch Star 5-spoke alloy wheels complement the athletic design, while gloss black side window surrounds and satin chrome side vents add to its premium styling. With a spacious boot, the XE is designed for both business trips and weekend getaways, featuring premium luggage tie-down points and shopping bag hook. Passengers in the back will appreciate comfortable seating with 3 headrests, ensuring support on long journeys. The rear armrest with twin cup holders adds convenience, while the rear air vents provide climate control for all occupants. Inside, the sporty yet refined cabin features 8-way manual front seats with electric recline, leather-trimmed R-Sport steering wheel and dual-zone automatic climate control, ensuring optimal comfort for both passengers and the driver. The leather-trimmed R-Sport multifunction steering wheel offers premium feel and provides easy access to audio cruise control and hands-free calling functions. Behind the wheel, the Jaguar digital driver display delivers key driving information and allows driver to switch between views effortlessly for an enhanced driving experience. Moving on, we have the InControl touch system displayed on 8-inch touchscreen, which integrates seamlessly with the car's advanced infotainment functions such as dual-zone automatic climate control, maintaining comfortable cabin temperature, DAB digital radio with AM, FM radio and Bluetooth streaming, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stay connected with hands-free calling, and navigation. This InControl touch navigation system provides real-time route guidance. We also have rear camera. A high-resolution rear-view camera assists with parking and reversing, and some of the extra features such as InControl apps allowing for smartphone connectivity and Wi-Fi hotspots, ensuring passengers stay connected on the go. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar XE 2.0 the R-Sport Auto all-wheel drive. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.